Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make prawn bisque. First, gather your fresh prawns, ensuring they are of high quality for the best flavor. You'll also need aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, which form the base of our rich stock. Don't forget a good quality brandy for deglazing and, of course, heavy cream to achieve that luxurious, smooth texture. These essential ingredients are key to a truly exceptional bisque. Next, let's create the flavorful prawn stock. Begin by sautéing your prawn shells in a little oil until they turn a vibrant pink. Then, add your chopped mirepoix, that's onions, carrots, and celery, and cook until they're softened. Deglaze the pan with a splash of brandy, scraping up any brown bits, and stir in a tablespoon of tomato paste. Finally, cover with water and simmer for at least 30 minutes to extract all those wonderful flavors. Now, let's bring it all together. Carefully strain your rich prawn stock, pressing firmly on the solids to extract every last drop of flavor. In a separate pan, quickly sauté your prawn meat until it's just cooked through, then set aside. Combine the strained stock with a generous amount of heavy cream and blend until it's wonderfully smooth and velvety. Finish by seasoning with salt, pepper, and a hint of cayenne for a subtle warmth. Finally, it's time to serve your exquisite prawn bisque. Ladle it into warm bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley for a touch of color and aroma. This rich, creamy bisque is best enjoyed hot, perhaps alongside some crusty bread to soak up every last drop. It's a truly luxurious dish perfect for a special occasion or simply to treat yourself. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy every spoonful of this incredible culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.